Good morning, student. Today we will study of class 4, subject moral science. Your book name is Friendship with Values. Now will be start chapter 2. Chapter 2. Chapter 2 title is The Big Heron, The Big Heron and the Crab. About the chapter. In this chapter, we shall learn how a crab punished the big heron. Think and discuss. Ordinary people can overcome the strongest enemy by being cunning. A long time ago, in a certain jungle, there was a lake. A heron lived in this lake, which was full of fishes. The heron had plenty to eat and was very happy. As the years week by, the heron grew old. He could not catch fish easily and was always hungry. He became thin and weak. The heron thought of an evil plan to save himself from starving. He came to the edge of the pond and began to wail. All the creatures in the pond were surprised. They came to the heron and asked him the reason for his wailing. Reason for his wailing. The heron told them that an astrologer had told him that there would be no rain in that jungle. The lake would dry up. The animals were surprised to hear this. A crab said, "Never mind, we will have rains next year." In this, the heron replied, "There will be no rains for the next 12 years. Slowly the lake will dry up and all the water creatures will die. All the animals in the lake were very, 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 very frightened. Frightened. News traveled fast. The frogs, crabs, and fishes decided to ask the heron for advice. Sobbing and wailing, all the creatures went up to the heron and pleaded, "Mr. Heron, do help us. We do not want to die." The heron laughed to himself. He promised in help the creatures. He printed he pretended he pretended to think for some time. Then he said, "There it is a lake a little further away. It is full of water. That lake will never dry up. If you ride on my back, I will take you there." There was a mad rush in the water. Everyone started shouting, "Take me first, Mr. Heron." The big heron took them one by one his back. When he had flown a little away, he would smash, smash them against a rock and eat them to his heart's content. The days passed happily for the heron. He was hungry. One day, Crave crawled up to the heron. One day, Crave crawled up to heron and asked to take it. One day, a crave crawled up to the heron and asked to take it to the lake. The, the heron was tired of eating fish every day, and so he happily agreed. The, the heron took the crab on his back and carried him to the rock where he had killed the fishes. As they got closer to the ground, the crab was shocked to see fish bones everywhere. The crab understood that they had been tricked. The crab grabbed, grabbed the heron's slender neck with his strong claws and squeezed into death. The crab slowly dragged the neck, and came back to the lake. All the animals were shocked to know about the heron's big trick. They, they cheered the brave crab. Moral of the story is excess of greed is harmful. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 2.